Welcome to my Neverland. Today's makeup look is going to be Caramel Macchiato, which is my favorite drink. All the products I'll be using today are listed in the description box, so make sure to check them out. So without further ado, let's get started. For the moisturizer, I'll be using Cathy Babe Face Youth Space Serum. It claims to strengthen the skin barrier and moisturize to enhance the skin elasticity. I will be spreading the product on my entire face to make sure the moisture is well distributed. For the foundation, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in 115 or Ivory shade. This product is good for normal to oily skin as it claims to mattify and refines the pores. It matches the natural skin tone as well and gives you the seamless finish. I am using a damp cushion sponge to spread the product evenly on my entire face. This technique helps to give you a more natural finish as it sets with the right coverage. I am using my Wet n Wild Cover All Concealer palette cover my dark circles, uneven skin tone, and dark spots. I am using my Wet n Wild Cover All Concealer palette to cover my dark circles, uneven skin tone, and dark spots. For my dark circles, I'm using the product to cover it in a triangular shape and make sure the ends are going upwards on the sides of my eyes to give it the fox eye effect. I'll be doing the same thing on the other side of my eyes and make sure it's balanced with the first one. And now I'll be concealing my dark spots and uneven skin tone on my face. I've got some redness on the sides of my nose, so I'm using the green color corrector to neutralize its color and mixing it with the concealer. And again, using the damp cushion sponge, I'm blending the product neat and nicely. If your case is the same as mine, it's normal for you to take so long to finish in blending and covering all your spots and blemishes. But it's okay as long as you're doing the right thing and covering everything that needs to be concealed. What I really love about this product is that it is buildable, so it's not difficult for me to add layers of concealer, and I have no worries at all. Now it's time to set our face using the Fashion 21 Loose Powder in the shade number 3. I am spreading the product on my face gently to make sure it gives me the semi-matte dewy finish. Make sure the entire face is covered with the loose powder, and for the eyes you can also try the same strokes I did here. Now it's time for the contour. I'll be using my BTLA Sculpt Trio. First things first, I'll be using the contour on my nose. I am gently and carefully shaping my nose and connect the product to my eyebrows to make it look more natural. Now it's time for the face contours. And again, I'm using the damp cushion sponge to blend my makeup. Now I'm brushing my eyebrows upwards and I'll be using my NICHIDO Eyebrow Liner Duo Kit in the shade Coffee to shape and fill in the gaps in my eyebrows. And to set my eyebrows, I'll be using my Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara with Filling Fibers in the shade 1 Blondy Brows. For my eyeshadow base, I'll be using a light brown shade. Using my fresh Skinlab Beauty Water, I'll be soaking my eyeshadow brush with it before putting on the deep orange shade eyeshadow for my eyelids. Yup, I'm doing the wet application of eyeshadow so the color is showing off even more. Spreading my eyeshadow on my entire lids, but focusing on the outer corners of my eyes. Using my Sculpt Trio from BTLA, I'll be using its highlighter on the inner corners of my lids. You can use your fingertips to apply the product on your eyelids, or you can also use your eyeshadow brush to do the thing. And don't forget to apply your highlighter on your eyebrow bones as well. Use your clean blending brush to fix your eyeshadows and remove its harsh lines. Using a black eyeshadow from the same palette, I'll be outlining my upper lash line. Using a small brush, I'll be applying a toned down orange on my lower lash line. I'll be curling up my eyelashes before putting on my mascara. I'll be using my Essence You Better Work Length Definition Mascara, which is gym-proof and waterproof. For my cheeks, I'll be using my Vice Cosmetics Aura Duo and Prankster. So basically, I'm mixing the Aura Blush and Aura Glow for a faded glowing blush. And for my lips, I'll be using my Detail Matte in Krysle for the base color. I'm trying to blend the product using a lip brush because it sets into matte so fast. Using my Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte and Made Easy, I'll be applying it on the center of my lips. We are going for the Korean gradient lips for this look. I'll be using my Careline Strobe stick to highlight my cheekbones and blend it using my damp cushion sponge. Last but not the least, I'll be using my EB Advanced Vinyl Lip Gloss. And we're done!